Fizzy, are you playing with dinosaurs? Yes, they wanted to come to the park as a family. See? Oh, careful where you walk. Little pink dinosaur, mind the puddle. Oh, you're getting all wet. Oh no, there's something wrong with her neck. Her neck's okay. She's just looking back at her dad. No wonder she walked in a puddle. She's really wet. Let's take them all to the pet vets for a checkup. Fizzy, whizzy, bow, busy, bop. Whoa, calm down, Puppet Dinosaur. It's okay. I just need to check that everyone is healthy. Let me go grab a blanket, then you can have a little snooze. Here you go. Now you can get comfy. Miss Hands, can you lay it out for us, please?
Hi, Fizzy. Hi, Phoebe. Hi, everyone. It's me, Miss Hands. Nice to see you, dinosaur family. Of course I can lay it out for you. I just need to make a little bed. Here we go. We'll just make it nice and comfy.
Oh, that looks perfect. There you go, Puppet Dinosaur.
So let's just stand this table back up there.
Okay, first I need to check the dinosaur's neck.
Okay, let's check Papa Dinosaur's neck. We need to look really closely.
Let me do it.
Oh, Phoebe, maybe not that close.
What about now?
Yeah, still a little too close, I think.
Now? No, Phoebe, like this. If I'm looking closely, it looks like Trey has a small graze. Oh no! Don't worry, Phoebe. Miss Hands, can we have one of those magical, healy, sticky things?
You mean these, Fizzy? Which one do you think you'd like? We have unicorns, puppies and kittens, and this one has a tiny mouse on it.
Unicorns!
Okay. There you go, Papa Dinosaur.
Good job, Miss Hands. He looks happy. Oops, maybe not. Let's check his heart rate. That is a really strange sound. Let me listen more closely. Ooh, dino, 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 dino! Phoebe, that is not a heartbeat, that is your singing voice. Oops. Dum-dum, dum-dum, dum-dum. What is that? I am being a heartbeat. Oh, Phoebe, let's try again. That's better. That's more like it. Let's move on to Mama Dinosaur. She doesn't look very calm, Fizzy. What should we do? Just comfort her. Ooh, cuddles. Mwah, mwah, mwah. No, something else. Oh, dino, 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 dino. Maybe not. Let's give her some fruit, and that will hopefully calm her so she can take a nap. How's Papa Dino doing? I think he's asleep! Quiet voice, Phoebe. We don't want to wake him.
Should we come back to him, Fizzy?
No. Maybe we should check him over with an x-ray. Good idea.
Okay, we're gonna get the dinosaur scan to make sure he is okay. Let's take a look.
I can't see any obvious signs of sore bones. He looks healthy. He does. Okay, finally, Mama Dinosaur. irritated. Let's get her a bath.
Good idea. I'm gonna place this bath here and I'm gonna fill it up with water.
That was a big splash. This is awesome. Hey, Mama Dinosaur, I colored in this really cool picture of you. I'll put it here. Oh, Phoebe, you're coloring. Oh no, what do I do now? Let's do a new one. Are you sure? I know the dinosaurs need our help, and Mama Dinosaur made a huge mess to clean it up, and I don't want to throw anyone down.
Already one step ahead of you, Phoebe.
Awesome!
There we go, Phoebe. Let's start with her main body. I think that was yellow, right?
Do the stars next. Her scales were orange.
What color were her toes?
Pink. She had blue in her eyes. And her mouth was pink too.
We're done.
Ah, cute. This looks awesome! And you even managed to color in the lines!
Why don't you give it to the dinos? Aw, they all look so happy.
I think we've completed our job. Definitely! Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you. Doc Fizzy! Thanks, Phoebe! Next time!
All together now! Fizzy! Wizzy! Go busy, bye!